Hi, this is All Things Property with me, Zamantungwa Khumalo. Here are 3 tips why buying is better than renting. The first is when you buy, the value of your property is likely to go up, meaning that should you decide to pay, you'll essentially make a profit. So really your personal wealth could be increasing while you have the property. Secondly is equity. The more you pay into your home loan, even when you pay a little bit extra every month, which I recommend you do, you're slowly building up equity for that particular property. And lastly, you can personalize your home to your heart's desire. Want to change the paint, maybe even the flooring? You're able to do it. And of course, you can always go to builders for those needs. For more tips and property advice, go to our blog on www.builders.co.za.